Right before New Year's in Tiraspol, I decided to make my own dish, which included pork liver and potatoes. The liver was still pretty frozen, so I ended up boiling some water to thaw it out quicker since I didn't have access to a microwave or anything like that, or at the time. And by the way, I couldn't find a lid for this pot, so I grabbed the big one from there just to boil it quicker. Takes a while to thaw out this meat, so, you know me, I'm hungry, so I'm trying to speed up the process as best I can. And no, I don't want to microwave anything. I don't even think I have a microwave. Nope, I don't have a microwave. This is the fastest way to do it. For me, at least. Well, finally, she is boiling very well. I even seasoned it to get rid of that liver smell. That special pork seasoning. But yeah, I'm cooking it right now. Meat's still boiling. Good shit right here. Add a little vodka. I mean, vodka comes from potatoes, ironically, doesn't it? As far as I know. Get stronger. Oh shit. There we go. Alright, quality's good. Gonna grab my knife real quick. So I'm gonna cut it now. You guys can kind of see it on the screen, which is fine, not a big deal. Just cutting them into pieces. So it actually cuts now. I'm just throwing it in here. Yes, I'm using my hands. I'm gonna put gloves on. But yeah, it actually cuts now. Into pieces. That's your liver. Seems to me. Now I'm just cutting the meat to smaller pieces to liver. It's not the best knife, but I'll work with it. That's not a big deal to me. Not at all. Really tasty. There we go. Just chopping good. Just put some right here. At the time, I didn't have access to a knife sharpener or anything like that, so I just had a couple dull different types of knives. That's all I had. Versus why it was kind of awkward to cut and everything. Normally I wouldn't have this issue, but in this situation I kind of had to deal with it, and you know, wasn't too bad. I just had to like put some extra elbow grease. Me, that's me. I did that. Yeah, you think I can cook? I can cook, baby. I don't give a shit. It's not a big deal. That's what I hate when people complain about cooking. I can work with limited resources, couple knives, one pan. Just improvise, that's all it is. Anyone can cook, right? Like in Ratatouille. Well, got it ready. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Gonna eat now.